In the next 7 minutes, you'll be a master at using Gemini 3.1 Pro. Gemini 3.1 Pro just turned a pile of crumpled receipts into a perfectly formatted, categorized expense report. 5 photos, some of them blurry, uploaded all at once. And in about 10 seconds, I got everything sorted and ready to export as a spreadsheet. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 Gemini 3.1 Pro capabilities that will actually save you time and make you look like you have a team working for you. You absolutely don't want to miss capabilities 6 and 7. Let's dive in. First capability is image analysis. And I don't mean describe this photo. I mean actually extracting useful information from complex visuals. Head over to Gemini and select the 3.1 Pro model. I'm going to drop in a screenshot of a performance dashboard, the kind with dozens of numbers all over the place. And I'll type, pull out every metric from this dashboard, show me the week-over-week change for each one, and highlight anything that looks off. It pulls every number, organizes it, and flags a Q4 anomaly that I had completely missed. Because it's not just reading the image, it's analyzing it. The same thing works with handwritten notes, rough diagrams, messy whiteboard photos. You're not limited to clean, digital inputs. It interprets raw ideas just as well. Next capability, video analysis. And this one completely changes how you process long content. Say you have a 1-hour product demo or a conference talk and you need to pull out every key point. Normally that means scrubbing through, pausing, taking notes, going back to check things you missed. It takes forever. Instead, just paste the YouTube link directly into Gemini and type something like, watch this and give me a summary of every main topic covered. Group them by theme and note the timestamp where each one comes up. You get a structured breakdown with categories and exact timestamps. And here's the part most people don't use. You can keep asking follow-up questions about that same video without it having to reprocess anything. Compare what was covered in the first half versus the second half. Which topic got the most time? It already has the full video in context. It just answers. One video, multiple angles, all from a single paste. Next up, audio analysis. And this is where the context window becomes very important. Gemini 3.1 Pro can hold about 1 million tokens in a single conversation. In practical terms, that means you can upload multiple long audio files, like earnings calls, meeting recordings, or podcast interviews, and analyze all of them together. Instead of listening to each one separately and trying to connect the dots yourself, Gemini can scan across every file at once and find patterns. Let me show you what I mean. Here I have several earnings call recordings from different companies. I'm going to upload them all at the same time and ask Gemini to analyze them together. Then I'll type. Okay, this one is genuinely impressive. It's called deep research and it works differently from everything else we've covered. Everything so far has been a back and forth you type, it responds. Deep research is autonomous. You give it a question and it goes off on its own for up to 20 minutes. It browses hundreds of websites, reads full articles, cross-reference sources, and comes back with a cited multi-page report. First, select the deep research mode from the Tools button. I'll type a prompt asking it to rank the most popular no-code website builders for small businesses, covering pricing, ease of use, and how well they handle SEO out of the box. Before it starts, it generates a research plan and shows you what it's going to cover. You can adjust it before it goes. Once you approve, it starts searching. A few minutes later, structured report, section headings, source links, comparative analysis, the kind of thing that would have taken 3 to 4 hours to put together manually. This is the feature that makes the most difference if you do any kind of research-heavy work, writing, analysis, strategy, learning something new quickly. Let's talk about coding. And I want to be clear, you don't need to be a developer for this to be useful. Gemini 3.1 Pro can build small functional tools on the first try. No back and forth, no debugging sessions. You describe what you want and it produces working code. Watch this. I'll ask it to build me a habit tracker in HTML. I want to add daily habits, check them off, and see a weekly streak count for each one. Under a minute. Fully functional habit tracker. Add habits, check them off each day. Streaks update automatically. The practical uses here go beyond coding projects. Think small calculators, expense trackers, formatted templates, workflow converters, things that would normally mean either hiring someone or fumbling through a tutorial for an hour. If you can describe what you want in plain English, Gemini can build it. One more capability worth knowing about, generating visuals directly from a text prompt. Gemini 3.1 Pro can produce SVG illustrations, workflow diagrams, and infographics without any design software. If you are making presentations, educational content, or social media graphics, this removes the step. I'll ask it to generate an org chart for a small startup. Founder at the top, then 3 departments below. each with 2 roles. Color each department differently, done in seconds, and if I want to tweak it, I just ask. Make the boxes rounded, swap the colors on the marketing branch, it adjusts without regenerating the whole thing. Before move on to the next section of the video, please hit that like and subscribe button, it helps the channel. Every capability we have covered so far has one thing in common, you have to show up. You type a prompt, Gemini responds, that is still useful, but it has a limitation. Scheduled actions remove that limitation entirely. This is where Gemini stops being a tool you use and starts being something that works on your behalf, even when you are not there. Here is how it works. Inside Gemini, you can create something called a gem, essentially a custom version of Gemini with a specific job. Give it a name, write instructions for what you want it to do, and optionally upload reference files so it understands your context. Say, you are a product manager who wants to stay on top of competitor news. You create a gem called Competitor Tracker and tell it exactly what to monitor, which companies, what kind of updates matter, what format you want the summary in. Then you connect that gem to a scheduled action. Something like every Monday at 7 a.m. Search for product updates, pricing changes, or major announcements from these 3 competitors over the past week. Send me a 3-point summary by email. Gemini creates the scheduled action. It runs automatically every Monday. You open your inbox and the summary is already there before you have even had coffee. You set it up once, you never think about it again. The reason this works well with Gemini 3.1 Pro specifically is the reasoning upgrade. Earlier versions would sometimes misfire on tasks like this, returning irrelevant results or drifting from the original instructions. Better reasoning means it stays on brief and delivers what you asked for consistently. Think about what that unlocks. A weekly digest of industry news, a daily pool of your top unread emails grouped by priority, a Monday morning brief that combines your calendar for the week with anything you have not replied to. All of it running in the background, all of it waiting for you when you open your laptop. That's Gemini 3.1 Pro. The thing that makes it different from previous versions isn't just the benchmark numbers, it's that it handles messy, complicated, real-world inputs and actually gives you useful output on the first try. If you want to go deeper on any of these features, leave a comment. I'll make a dedicated video on whichever ones you're most curious about. And if this was helpful, hit like or subscribe. It helps the channel and it tells me what kind of content to keep making. See you in the next one.